Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to unlock locked profile on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, let's head on to Facebook. Then over here tap on your profile and you will see here you locked your profile. I have locked my profile over here. Then you can tap on this learn more. After that you can see you locked your profile. Here is option of unlock and learn more. Tap on this unlock. Over here you will find this many options. Go over here to unlock your profile and tap on it. You can see here you unlocked your profile and tap on OK. You can see here we have successfully unlocked our profile. So in this way we can unlock locked profile in Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.